Week 2 of our springing episodes from the Grigsby farm on the Grigsby Digital Series here on the Realtree 365 platform. Uncle Randy, who is not known for slamming the turkeys, gets on another bird before I do. I can't believe it. You're not going to want to miss this, so I'm telling you, the birds are hammering, and we're on them, and the Grigsby has got a lot of turkeys. Hey, make sure to try to catch all the Grigsby episodes here on the Realtree 365 platform. Download the app. It's free. And watch everything we're doing at the Grigsby farm.
Just coming up the top of the hill right here, and we heard them down in here. So we come back around. They gobbled one more time just to the right of us right down here. So we're going to set up right here and see if we can't bring them up the hill. See what happens. They're gobbling right there, man. They're close. Here he comes. Right there to the right, right there to the right. You see? Let him go. Let him go. Now they're all bunched up. They're all bunched up. They're too close. I'll take the last one. As soon as he clears that tree, I'm going to take him. I can't wait a whole long. Here we go. Are you on him? Yeah. Flop 2. That was a long shot. The Savage 220 turkey gun, it hammered him. I'm talking about hammered him. Thank you, Lord. That was great. Well, I shot him way back up over there, but he flopped down this bank. So he's going to make it a little bit more difficult for me. But he's there. Gun is cleared. Look at this. Oh yeah. Nice beard. Very nice beard. Oh yeah. Look at that full fan. No jakes this year for me. Nice 2-year-old bird. I tell you, that was an exciting hunt. It doesn't get much better than this right here. And Uncle Randy's tagged out in Illinois. There, it's official. Tagged out.
We just spotted some birds. They're across the field. We're going to get in the timber here and try to set up. I just put my decoy out. We're going to sneak up in the timber here. I got bow wire behind me, so hopefully we can get up here. We got to get to the point so we can see around the corner. This is going to work. Let's just set up right here. Okay. All right. It's time to get serious. We're going to kill a turkey. I'm just going to get around the front side of this tree. Just stay super low. I can see the tops of them. They're fans. They're coming for sure. There's 4 of them. I'll shoot the strutter. Yeah. You ready? We straight fooled the heck out of those birds. Oh, that was nice. That was very, very nice. We pull into a spot, we get out of the truck, realize it's full of mud, and I'm like, well, we'll deal with this later. Hopefully I'm not stuck. So I just parked and we went on. We put them to bed last night and they're not there. And then we go back to the truck because we hear them gobbling half a mile away from where they should be, so we can drive around to try to get in front of them, and the truck is stuck. So we literally made about, I bet it's a 2 mile circle.
My phone says 3 miles.
His phone says 3 miles circle we just walked. Get up here to where we think they might be, and the bottom is so wet from all this rain. Right, there's no way a turkey's in there, they gotta be up top. We walk up here to the top field to where we got a deer stand right there. And I look over and they're right there. Made a one call and they turned around and said, I'm coming to you. Picked the biggest one and bam! That was awesome. Big old bird. We killed the strutter when he came up there. That was pretty cool. Good spurs on him. Doesn't really get any better than this. Finishes up an awesome week of turkey hunting here at the Grigsby. Cool, man. I'm pumped.